You'll get lost in Seattle's secret underground city. Descend into the depths of Seattle, Washington, and unlock the gates to an extraordinary world hidden beneath the surface, the enigmatic underground city. Prepare to be transported to a forgotten realm as we embark on a mesmerizing journey through the subterranean passages and untold stories that lie beneath the bustling streets. Brace yourself for an adventure that will ignite your imagination and unveil the secrets of this subterranean marvel. In the late 1800s, Seattle faced a devastating calamity, a ravaging fire that left the city in ruins. Determined to rebuild, the city embarked on an audacious endeavor, razing the streets and constructing a brand new city above the ashes. Little did they know, a hidden realm would endure, concealed beneath the newly laid foundations. Enter the underground city of Seattle, where time stands still and echoes of the past reverberate through the dimly lit corridors. As we step into this subterranean world, we are transported back to the bygone days of Seattle's pioneers. The air is tinged with nostalgia as we navigate through forgotten storefronts, crumbling brick walls, and mysterious tunnels, traces of a vibrant past long abandoned. With each step, the whispers of history grow louder, telling tales of resilience, creativity, and the indomitable spirit of a city rising from the ashes. Can you hear the echoes of horse-drawn carriages clattering along the cobblestones? Can you envision the vibrant businesses that once thrived in these forgotten corners? The underground city breathes with life, even as it lies hidden beneath the city's modern facade. But this hidden realm is not a relic frozen in time. It has transformed into a thriving underground community where creativity knows no bounds. Explore its secret enclaves, where tucked-away shops, cozy cafes, and eclectic art galleries have found refuge. Here, history and contemporary culture intertwine, creating a unique atmosphere that captivates the senses. Are you ready to descend into the depths, to unravel the enigmas of the underground city? Or will you allow these secrets to remain entwined with the shadows? Share your thoughts in the comments below.